Uganda's tourism earnings dropped by 73% from 5.8 trillion in 2019 to 4.1 trillion in 2020. The question is, what next for the tourism sector? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Travel with Enoch and Jackie.
On the banks of the Nyinabulitwa Crater Lake, Crater Safari Lodge blends perfect well with its surrounding landscape. The lodge places safari goers in a prime position to explore Kibale National Park. Our own interior decor expert, Jackie Dewe, takes us on a room tour at this luxurious lodge.
So this week, we're actually making 2 months
on
Magic One
2 months on TV.
First of all, thank you guys, Crystal Lodges, Crater Safari Lodge.
Yes.
Thank you for celebrating with us. We made 2 months. That's the 2 months anniversary, and they decided to welcome us in style like that. Yeah. So we have a beautiful bed, as you have seen, beautifully designed to celebrate this, our 2-month anniversary on TV of Travel with Enoch and Jackie. Yes, yeah, we keep saying it because we can't believe it feels like forever when we started traveling with you.
Those are 9 episodes.
9.
Together with the entire team, Bill,
That's been cool.
Jackie, and everyone else on the team. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Absolutely grateful. So Bill, that he keeps talking about, is Bill Flix of Syncat Media. He's in charge of our production and he does a really good job. And of course, our transport partners for making our 2nd anniversary feel so great.
Oh, yes.
Africa
Runners Company.
That's what's up. Okay, so back to the room. This sitting place, every room needs a sitting area.
Before we leave the bed, let's finish up the bed. Tell me about that headboard.
It's a rustic style. It looks like a door, wooden door, the way it's designed, but strong wood. And then I love the bedside lamps. They're actually wooden. They have a wooden base.
Okay.
Yeah. And you see the colors, they're light and calm. And they have matching bedside tables that are really cute. The bed is nice. The canopy on point. And the way the bed is made is really nice. So I also love when you look up.
The roof?
The roof. It's really nice. The way the light is coming down to create a center. Everything in here is
authentic.
It's authentically African, and it is matched really well with the art pieces in here.
Nice.
And look at our curtains.
The curtains, yes.
They are really nice. They do match with our bed cushions. The chairs are just plain white, clean lines, just what's up. So as to the table it's nice. It's just got one chair. It's a comfy seat, by the way. It's not your traditional office style chair. It's like a dining chair that was just placed there and over the table, and that mixes the style. Let's go to the bathroom. So what I love most about the bathroom is this light over the mirror. It's really nice. You get to see yourself. You know, mirrors always give you a light reflection, but imagine this light over it, and it's very designer. It looks really cute. I also love our bathtub, and I love the colors, and I also love the rustic wooden piece, the one that's holding the sink. It's a hard wooden piece. It looks really classy. Yeah. It's nice, and the way they set up this basket that's holding our shower essentials is really nice. Yes, you really want to have a bath in there. Oh yes, the water bottles. Everything in this room was really well thought of. So the water bottles are not your ordinary. Even the glasses are cute. So you do what you want. You could have your drinking water in here. You could just have your water, for gargling. You do what you want with this water. But the bottles are really, really cute. I also love our closet. It's just open. It's a walk-in. It's open. You can tell how we've laid out our things.
Really by the way, did you see the yoga mat?
Oh yeah. As you can see, this place is luxurious, peaceful, relaxing. So we can do some yoga.
I'm going to do some demonstration on how yoga is done. Now, your best spot of the room.
So my best spot is where we're seated right now, the sitting area in the room. Every room deserves a place to sit. Now, today, if one tip you're to take away from this room tour is the bed is for sleeping, not for sitting. That's why you have a sitting area. If your room is really small, like a lot of our spaces, don't have the luxury of giving you this kind of lounge or sitting area where you have a proper seat to sit. You see what they've done with the bed end? That is another part that I love. Instead, we have a storage it's a storage basket. It opens and closes. But usually, if you don't have space and have a small room, you just have a bench. I love when you wake up to this place, you guys. Oh my gosh, look over there. There's that crater lake. It's so peaceful. It's so beautiful. And even the sound of the birds, you hear them knocking and trying to wake you up. And the seat here, yes. This seat outside here, this is to die for as well.
So
I love the animal
comfortable, yeah?
print cushions, and yes, they are really comfy, and they look really good. They do look really good. It's a nice concept.
That was it for this week. See you next week.
Ciao, ciao.
Bye.
So that was the beautiful Crater Safari Lodge. Isn't it awesome? It's awesome. You need to check it out yourself. It even is better in person than what you see on camera. We had a great time, and we hope that you too loved it. Now, still to come is our top place to eat this week, and of course, our travel experience of the week. Our travel experience of the week, we explore the effects of COVID-19 on the tourism sector in Uganda. After government announcement about a drop in the tourism earnings from 5.8 trillion in 2019 to 4.1 trillion in 2020. The question becomes, what next for the sector? While addressing the media on the way forward, the Ministry of Tourism, Wildlife and Antiquities Permanent Secretary Doreen Katusime said that in order to consolidate the gains made so far since the reopening of the sector, the Uganda Tourism Board has since organized the first ever Virtual Tourism Expo that registered a good success in terms of restarting tourism. According to the Ministry of Tourism, Permanent Secretary, government is ready to consolidate these gains through domestic tourism awareness drives. Talking about drives, here at Travel with Enoch and Jackie, in conjunction with Uganda Wildlife Authority and support from Magic One TV, we are launching a local tourism marketing campaign that will see us visiting and reviewing the different national parks and game reserves, starting with a road trip to Mount Elgon National Park. This Road Trips to the Wilderness campaign and TV series is designed to explore main attractions, experiences, and activities, food and culture, and the ultimate town pound-by-pound guides, which include places to stay, places to eat, and things to do along these road trips. So, if you think you would like to be a part of this campaign as a sponsor, a partner, supporter, or if you are a travel business and you would like to feature in this campaign, WhatsApp text us on the number on the screen and we will be in touch with you.
Yoga has been a timeless practice and remains unchanged for centuries and provides benefits to its practitioners. Today we talk to a yoga expert who shares her experience. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Travel with Enoch and Jackie. Kindly introduce yourself to our viewers.
Okay, hello all of you. My name is Leah Ampaire and I'm a Ugandan. I'm a yoga teacher and I love yoga, and that is why I've come to talk to you about yoga. Yoga basically is a practice of, is a work-in, is a practice of the mind, is a practice of the body and the soul. Yoga is almost a physical practice. Many people practice it for physical benefits, just like you go to the gym, just like you go to a dance class or Zumba or aerobics. But the difference is it is a practice to bring you balance, to bring you serenity, and to ground you.
So, how long have you been doing this? Okay.
So I have been practicing yoga for the past 6 to 7 years, and I started teaching close to 5 years ago.
So Leah, tell me, where did you pick this interest in yoga? Because it's not every day that you see anyone into this yoga business?
For me, up until 2014, I had never heard about or of yoga before, until I met a stranger who talked me into it.
Okay.
And there was a class happening, and he invited me to attend this class, and I have never thought to not do my practice ever since that day.
Okay.
So I was just a student for somewhere around 2 years before I attended my first yoga teacher training.
Okay.
And I loved it. I loved it because it was a practice that helped me on a very unique journey of discovering myself, of embracing me for who I am and for who I am not, for who I'm not. And I enjoyed it. So when I got the opportunity to be a teacher, I had to share this experience with as many people as I possibly could. And I have been so lucky to share this practice with many people, including very many Ugandans, because yoga is a practice that is not common, that is not famous in our country. But because of its physical and spiritual benefits, very many people have come to know about it, and very many people have been trained as teachers here in Uganda, so that people can get access to this practice, because it is very beneficial. If others are doing it and it is helping them, then we would also definitely need it.
So lastly, tell us more about your upcoming wellness retreat, the whole retreat about.
Okay, yeah, so we have an upcoming yoga retreat, yoga and swimming wellness retreat.
Okay.
And we are going to learn more about all these things that people always want to ask or people always want to know. And during my training, I had also asked some of these questions to my teachers, and they told me one thing: you always invite someone and then they know about something for themselves. So when you come to this retreat that we are holding the first weekend of June, that is when you're going to discover and have all these answers to the questions that you've always asked or you've always wanted to ask.
Okay.
Yeah, so I am inviting all of you, whoever is interested. You should be interested because it is interesting. You're very welcome. You're more than welcome to our upcoming yoga and wellness retreat at the Kipling Luxurious Lodge in Jinja.
Is that Kangurumira?
Yeah, in Kangurumira.
Yeah.
And you should come and live it for yourself.
So if someone is interested in registering for the retreat, what do they do?
Oh yeah. So in case you're interested in being a part of this experience, you are welcome to book your slot, or because we have very, very few slots available, you're very welcome to book your slots using our WhatsApp numbers running on the screen. And or contact us, then you'll be given all the details or directed to how to join.
There you have it. Thank you, Leah. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next week.
So in the spirit of the Nobel Peace Prize, we join Africa and the rest of the world to celebrate the winner who came from Ethiopia, that's their Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed. And we've gone Ethiopian strictly here at Caramel Cafe and Lounge. Enoch and Jackie series of places to eat in Kampala. Hello, Chef.
Welcome.
Your name is what?
My name is Chef Wendy.
Chef Wendy. And we're going to cook fish, lagush.
Tilapia, you can call it. In Ethiopian style, we cook it fish goulash.
Fish goulash.
Yeah.
Let's get cooking.
We are chopping tomato, onion, and red pepper.
Hi, thanks for watching this edition of Enoch and Jackie Top Places to Eat in Kampala. My name is Jackie, Enoch is right here, and this is our friend raiding the week with us. Say hello.
Hello, I'm Imran.
Welcome to Caramel.
Yes.
This is chicken shakla.
Chicken shakla. Their salmon is so nice. Remember that song, Dorobuchi? Doro Buchi. Now, it's real. This here is Doro chicken. You eat it with Ingera. So Doro chicken, Doro Ingera. This is good. Doro nice. Thank you for watching another top place to eat in Kampala. Do look out for our contests. We have a lot of them coming up every week. We want to raid the kitchen with you. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Enoch and Jackie. Follow us on TripAdvisor, please. Do follow us on Instagram. Do follow us on Facebook. Everywhere it's Enoch and Jackie. So we're chilling at the Millennium Terrace Hotel right here on Bukoto Street. Special thanks to Millennium Terrace Hotel for hosting us, for the awesome pizza that you just saw us enjoying. And special thanks to Maxito Logistics, our logistics partners. The Val Guide, check out our website www.valguide.com, and of course Jim Joel Safaris Photography. He is the man on camera. And of course, thank you for watching Magic One Television and for watching this show, Travel with Enoch and Jackie. Ciao, ciao. Can't wait to see you next time.